What to pack, or how I arrived with a small apartment and now live like Jack Reacher. Let me start with a confession. When I arrived in Vietnam in late February 2025, I overpacked. Not a little. I packed like I was relocating to 4 different climates, 3 social classes, and at least 1 formal awards ceremony. I was prepared for everything, except reality. Fast forward 9 months. Through blistering summer heat, monsoon rain, and now winter, and I can say this with confidence, I could now live here with the Jack Reacher look. Basically just a toothbrush. Here's the reality of what you actually need in central Vietnam. Let's start with clothing. 1 pair of jeans, 3 or 4 t-shirts, 2 pairs of dress shorts, 2 pairs of sports shorts, for walking, running, or pretending you'll run, and 1, maybe 2, business shirts. That's it. No suits, no jackets, no just-in-case outfits. Everything here is casual, and I mean casual. I've been to weddings where people turned up in shorts and t-shirts and nobody even blinked. Now shoes. Don't overthink this. Pack 1 pair of sneakers. Buy your sandals here. Sandals and brand-name sneakers, the factory backdoor kind, are cheaper, better suited to the climate, and absolutely everywhere. If you really want boots, you can get incredible custom-made ones here. I picked up RM Williams lookalikes for about $70 Australian, custom-fitted, made in a day, ridiculously comfortable. But for everyday life, sneakers and sandals. Done. Here's where most people really go wrong. They bring their entire wardrobe. Don't. Vietnam has excellent casual wear. Dry-fit Nike-style knockoffs that are perfect for the heat. T-shirts, tanks, and polos for $5 or $6 Australian. Sizes all the way up to 6XL. And, crucially, clothes you'll actually wear. You're going to buy clothes here anyway, so don't fly them halfway across the world first. Now, suitcases. Yes, even these are better here. If you're worried about space, relax. Suitcases in Vietnam are cheap, modern, on-trend, and surprisingly good quality. You can buy a huge, solid suitcase for around $22 to $25 Australian, which means you do not need to bring a giant suitcase to buy a giant suitcase. Now for a quick weather reality check. Summer is hot. Like, damn hot. Wet season rains a lot. A hell of a lot. Winter is mild, pleasant, and still very casual. Before you pack, make sure you check out the Weather in Vietnam module. It'll save you from panic packing for conditions that last about 3 weeks and don't require 3 jackets. Locals don't pack for extremes, and they know exactly what they're doing. After 9 months here, I've boiled it down to one simple rule. My entire life now fits into one large suitcase, comfortably. And honestly, it's freeing. Less stuff, less decision-making, less stress. So here's the bottom line. Pack light, buy local, dress casually, and do not bring your Australian wardrobe to a Vietnamese climate. Vietnam rewards simplicity, and your back, your wallet, and your sanity will thank you for it.